and should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and auld lang syne? For auld lang syne, my dear, for auld lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for auld lang syne. And surely you'll get your pint cup, and surely I'll get mine, and we'll take a cup of kindness yet for auld lang syne. We two have run about the slopes and picked the daisies fine, but we've wandered many a weary foot since auld lang syne. For auld lang we too have paddled in the stream from morning sun till dawn, but seas between us broad have roared since auld lang syne. And there's a hand, my trusty friend, and give a hand, oh thine, and we'll take a right good will draught for